Hello student. In fourth chapter, simple equation, we solve question number 3 in exercise 4.3. Okay, that is solve the following equation. Here some equations are there. Look in that first one, that is A. A equal to 4 equal to 5 into bracket P minus 2. Here bracket is there. That time we use BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiply, addition and subtraction. Okay, in this order we solve that one. Okay, now 4 equal to 5 into bracket P minus 2. Here P is at right side. Okay, so what to do? If you need variable to the left side, you just change side of both one. Means all elements of left hand side, you just write down elements of left side to the right one and right side to the left one. Here 4 and here 5 in the bracket main. Okay, and when you change both sides, that time the signs hold as usual. Okay, means sign should not change. Now remove that bracket first. 5 into bracket P minus 2, 5 into P, that is 5P, plus minus minus 5 to the 10 equal to, that is 4. Now 5P equal to 4. We change side of minus 10. It's converted into plus 10. You know that. So 5P equal to 14. 10 plus 4. Now 5P means 5 into P. Now we transpose 5. So P equal to 14 divided by 5. That's your answer. Okay. Next one. Look B. That is minus 4 equal to 5 into bracket P minus 2. Okay, again we change side of both one. So 5 into bracket P minus 2 equal to minus 4. Now remove that bracket. 5P minus 5 to the 10 equal to minus 4. So 5P equal to minus 10 and minus 4 and minus 10 we change, it's converted into plus 10. So 5P equal to, now here sign of biggest number is plus. Plus minus minus 10 minus 4 is 6. So P equal to 6 upon 5. 5 is multiple form, we change the side, that is converted into division. That's your answer. Okay. Next one, C. That is 16 equal to 4 plus 3 into bracket T plus 2. Now again we change left side and right side. So 4 plus 3 into bracket T plus 2 equal to 16. Now here you just first change the side of 4. Otherwise what to do? Remove that bracket, then simplify and then change them. So here 4, now 3 is coefficient of this bracket. So plus and plus plus 3 into T, 3T, plus 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 3 to the 6 equal to 16. Now 4 and 6 like terms are there. So 3T plus 6 and 4, 10. Both are plus and plus plus plus, that is 10 equal to 16. Now change the side of 10. So 3T equal to 16 and it's converted into minus 3T equal to 6. Now change the side of 3, that is in multiple form. So T equal to 6 divided by 3, 3 to the. So your answer is T equal to 2. Okay. One more sum. Look D. 4 plus 5 into bracket P minus 1 equal to 34. Now look here. Variable is already at left side. So we do not change the sides. Now remove that bracket first. So 4 here plus 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 5P, 5 into P and plus minus minus 5 ones are 5 equal to 34. Okay. Now simplify like terms. Okay. Directly simplify them. Otherwise what to do? Just write down like terms together. Like that. 5P plus 4 minus 5 equal to 34. Here we change the orders. Okay, so 5p. Now here simplify them. Sign of biggest number is minus, plus minus minus, 5 minus 4 is 1, equal to 34. So 5p equal to 34 and minus 1 is there. We change the sign, that is converted to plus. So 5p equal to 35. 5p means 5 into p. So p equal to 35 multiply, we change the sign, that is converted into division. 7 5s are 35. So p equal to 7. That's our answer. Okay. One more. Look. E, that is 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6. Variable is right side. Okay, so what to do? Change both sides. So 16 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6 equal to 0. Now remove that bracket. So 16 here plus, no sign is means plus, plus 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 4 into m, that is 4m, plus minus minus 6 4s are 24 equal to 0. Now simplify them. So 4m plus 16 minus 24 equal to 0. Change order. 4m. Now here simplify them. Sign of biggest number is minus, plus minus minus, 24 minus 16 equal to 8, that is 0. Now change the side of 8. So 4m equal to 0 minus 8 is converted into plus 1 plus 8, that means 4m equal to 8. Now change the side of 4. So m equal to 8, that's come at denominator side. Okay, so 4 2s are m, so m equal to 2, that's your answer. Okay, so easy. Now question number 4. Look here, question number 4. In that A, construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. Okay, A, x equal to 2, you just start with this one and construct equations. Okay, in upper side we start with equations and solve that one, but here you just start with solution and then get equation. When you solve that equation, you are having only one answer, one solution, but when you start with solution, you are having many equations. You can make many equations. Okay, now when you start means when you make equation with that one, always use DMS order. Okay, means just multiply or division any number with both side to the both side and then add or subtract a number both sides. Okay, suppose we multiply both side with 5. Okay, so multiply both side with 5. So 5 into x equal to 5 into 2. We multiply both sides with 5. So 5 into x is 5x equal to 5 2s are 10. Now suppose you want to add. So add 6. Okay, both side. Here we see take 6. You just add 6 7 8 1 2 any number, any whole number. Okay, so 5x plus 6 equal to 10 plus 6. So 5x plus 6 equal to 10 plus 6 is 16. That's your equation. Okay, one more. Look, same here, x equal to 2. Now we divide both side with 2. means x upon 2 equal to 2 upon 2. Here 2 cut means we get 1. X divided by 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now suppose we subtract 2, okay, from both sides. So x upon 2 minus 2 equal to 1 minus 2. So x upon 2 minus 2 equal to 1 minus 2, we get minus 1. That is also an equation. Okay, here we make two equations. Okay, and in that equations, what is that? You just make three equations. Okay, so third one you just make yourself. Same next one. Look, fourth B. Construct three equations starting with x equal to minus 2. Here you just start with x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Okay, to make that equations you are having many steps. Okay, what you want to do? Here we multiply both side with 3. Okay, suppose 3, so multiply with 3. So 3 into x means 3x minus 2 into 3, so 3x equal to minus 6. Okay, now we add 10 both side. So 3x plus 10 equal to minus 6 plus 10. So 3x plus 10 equal to, here sign of biggest number is plus, plus minus minus, 10 minus 6 is 4, that is plus 4. It's your equation. Okay, suppose x equal to minus 2 and you want to multiply and divide both of side, otherwise you want to take a rational number. Okay, so suppose we multiply with 3 upon 4 both side. So what to do? 3 upon 4 into x equal to minus 2 into 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 into x means 3x divided by 4 equal to, here no sign is here, plus minus, minus 3 to the 6 upon 4, here plus. Okay, now simplify them, that is 3 to the and 2 to the, so you are getting 3x upon 4 equal to minus 3 upon 2. That is also an equation. Okay, so you just make three equations from that solution. Okay, so you just solve exercise 4.3 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.